Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best indoor water fountains that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Bbabe Desktop Waterfall Fountain Décor LED Indoor Portable Waterfall Tabletop Fountain. This waterfall is made out of polyresin and it stands about 10.5 inches tall. What is more, there are 3 different styles to choose from. To add up, the first style is gray and black, the second style is jugs and the third style in tree trunks. Not to mention, this lightweight and portable tabletop or a desktop indoor water fountain are perfect for your home or your office. Apart from this, the water flows down 4 different levels on the fountain and it also has a built-in LED light for pleasing visual effects. Plus, this product only received a 4-star rating out of a possible 5-star score from previous buyers. The main complaint about the product was that it was too small and very cheaply made. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Chilliscreamni Small Relaxation Waterfall. This indoor waterfall features 3 different levels for the water to flow through along with an LED light at the top of the fountain. This waterfall is available in black, bronze, bronzy, and gray. You can also choose between 4 different sizes ranging from 8 inches up to 11 inches in height. It is lightweight and made of polyresin, so it will be durable and last for a long time. This product does come with a pump and some assembly will be required. This waterfall got a 4.4-star rating due to the fact that previous buyers said the item stopped working after only a few days. At number 3, we have the Alpine Corporation 4-tier Cascading Tabletop Fountain with LED lights. Tabletop fountain is the perfect decor item to your room and easy to install by the plug-in, and the interior pump keeps the water flowing. Because of this design, it is suitable to place it on the table near your bed to provide a peaceful sleep, or the middle of the meal table to add an appetizer. Additionally, due to its realistic gray stone making this water fountain touchable and adding more beauty to your house. More precisely, getting the feel of relaxation every time by hearing the sound of a waterfall touching the stone adds a peaceful ambiance to your home or yard. Besides, the LED light will light a cool toned and illuminate water flow. Like this, it makes the romantic scenario and comfort your eyes. The dimension is 9 inches L by 7 inches W by 13 inches H in durable fiberglass construction as rust and weather resistant. Therefore, it is a durable and perfect size for your house, and every place is located. At number 2, we have the Peterlvan 4-tier Cascading Resin Rock Falls Tabletop Water Fountain. Having just an 11-inch size, this little water fountain is a tabletop that is suitable to add an ordinary table to become livable. Like this, stop stressing out while working in the office while you can look and hear the real waterfall from this little water fountain. Furthermore, it is made from polyresin, which is lightweight yet durable to ensure long-lasting use. Like this, it is very easy to move around and match with any decoration. What is more, it also tags along with the LED light that illuminates the light at the same time as the waterfall, listening to the sound of the waterfall while the LED works to light up, making it more beautiful and relaxing. Having a dark gray color, this water fountain also comes with a plastic bowl and resin rock which look classy and fit with any decor. Easy to assembly and plug into any standard electrical outlet, and rest is your enjoyment. And finally, at number 1, we have the Alpine Corporation 4-tier Pouring Pots Fountain. This is another realistic stone rock from Alpine Corporation. Within 4-tier pouring pots, this water fountain is looking incredibly beautiful and calm. The flow of water out of the quiet interior pump combines with circulating water flow from one pot to another, increasing the best view and relaxation to where its grace is. Besides, within the size of 17 inches H, 9, L, and 7 inches W is a perfect size that you undeniable. Over and above that, due to its special 4-tier pots circling soft and calming water flow, you also can customize by adding some flowers like jasmine, for an instant, to make it more interesting. Thanks to its flat bottom design that allows you to place it anywhere, whether on the table or garden. With all, the fiberglass construction will make it more durable and resistant to rust as well as weather. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.